Hey, Doug here from Bessie Custom Fab. It's been a while. Haven't posted much videos. I've been super busy, but too busy to put any videos up. So we'll do a quick one today. Stick around. Well, that's one thing that I moved. I moved my banner up there. I moved the speaker up there, but the big thing that I did was I put a man door in the back of the shop. And it's awesome. Should have done it 5 years ago. Now I can get out to my truck, my steel rack. I don't know how I ever got along without it, but it's great. And it's super solid, all metal door with a heavy duty expensive deadbolt. And I also put this thing up because that's how you roll, right? Can't be too safe, especially in the back alley. We're in a good neighborhood here, but you never know. Anyway, I'm working on some flat bar stuff today. Nothing too special. I got some gates on the go though. They're pretty fancy gates. They're total custom. This one's gonna have wood inlay that slides in these channels. The top is removable. You can kind of see where the removable part is. There's a couple screws on the top that hold it together. This other one, similar design. They're both really close, but variations on the same diamond design. This one has a big diamond that's removable. You can see the screws there. And that'll come out, the wood will go in, and then the one diamond plate will go back on to sandwich the wood in there. It's gonna look super cool. We'll hopefully get some pictures up on the Instagram once that's all down and painted and wood installed, and maybe in the spring, I don't know. A couple more pieces here have to go into the one gate, some dividers, because there's wood inlay in that one as well. Reorganizing the whole shop. I took out a huge shelf. This shelf used to go all the way across, but had to go. Got a bit of a staging area here now for projects that are finished and waiting to go out the door. As you can see, my Pontiac is out of the shop. I got another hot rod in here. I'm just kidding. That thing's from the 80s. It's not a hot rod. It's vintage though. Still a big mess. Organizing. I got the motorcycles put away for the winter. Still lots of organizing left to go, but now I've got some space, some workable space. Got a pipe thing coming up here. That's a cool little job. But anyway, just an update on shop renos and funny little projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe. Bessie Custom Fab, rock and roll.